Hello everyone, this is Manish here. Next thing that guys will see is the set interface. So it is also present in java.util package and it also extends the collection interface. So it is an unordered collection of objects in which duplicate values cannot be stored. So remember sets will not have the duplicate values. And also we'll see that generally until we use linked hash set, generally hash set is not also going to retain a normal hash set that we'll use will not retain the insertion order. You'll see different types of sets and implementation of it. Okay, so sets basically what are we going to do in the given example we are seeing that we have created a hash set of type string, and what are we doing is guys we are adding, what are we adding? Apple, banana, orange, uh, and then again banana. If you see here guys, in this case I've tried to enter banana again. So in this case, it will go ahead and ignore this. Why? Because my set already contains banana. Okay. So in this case, if you see after inserting the respective elements over here, my hash set contains apple, orange, and banana. Now, what exactly, guys, is an enum set? So it is specially designed to use the enum type. So it is a high specialized set implementation optimized for enum type. So generally, you'll have these enums defined already. Okay. So, and one more point while I'm discussing enum, the hash set, as I said, is not going to retain the insertion order. So, at time that you see that apple, orange, banana that you see over here, we had inserted apple, banana, orange, but you see apple, orange, banana. So it does not retain the insertion order. Remember this, guys. Now, talking about enum set, we have defined few enums. For what are the enums? If you can see at line number 6, I've defined days. Enums like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So in this enum set, in case if I want to use the respective elements out of this through the enum, so that is how enum set is going to be used. So, so enum set, this is of type days, which we have defined, and we have created a respective object, and this object would contain enum set dot of days Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So what am I trying to print? I'll just take the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday out of the enum set that we have defined before. Okay, so this will give us Monday, Wednesday, Friday at these respective values, as you can see below. You're talking about linked hash set. Now remember, hash set do not store the insertion order, whereas the linked hash set is going to store the insertion order. So in this case, if you see 5 to 8 and then 2, as I said, 2 was already inserted, so you do not see 2 getting added twice. But as per the insertion order 5 to 8, that is what you can see over here as the linked hash set. Okay, guys. Now, what exactly is a tree set, guys? So tree set is sort of a sorted set that you can think of. So irrespective how you are entering, let's say we have added 10, 5, 15, and 5 here again. The 5 is going to be ignored. Why? Because 5 has already been added. It will be sorting automatically based on the ascending order over here. You can see my tree set after the insertion shows 5, 10, and 15. Okay, so this was a kind to tree set basically is an implementation you can think of as a sorted set that we are now talking about the sorted set. Okay, so in the sorted set, we also have something in case we want to sort a respective set. So let's say if you have defined in my example, if you can see, I have defined a sorted set object over here on the tree set as we discussed before. So sorted set is what is it is an interface based on so we are creating object on the tree set which we just explained in the last program. Here we are seeing the sorted set various methods that we can access. So we have added 5 to 8 1 over here. If you can see 1 2, so it will automatically get sorted as 1 2 3 5 8. Okay, as we discussed the sorted set. Now what is the first element? Dot first will give me the first element. What is the first element? 1. And what is the last element? Dot last will give me the last element. What is the last element here, guys? 8. And what are we saying? See, sorted set, head set. Now we are creating another set over here. And what am I saying? Dot sorted set dot head set 3. So means elements that are less than 3 basically would get printed over here. So in that case, what do we have over here? So 1 and 2. So that is what it is going to print. So whenever we give a head set, it basically means element less than the given value that we have given. And tail set means it should be greater than or equal to the value that we have given. Similarly, you can see for the tail set, it includes, what does it includes, guys? 3, 5, and 8. Okay. Now subset. Now subset is a inclusive the first value and exclusive the last value. So here what I'm saying that my set should return values from 2 to 5 including 2 and excluding 5. So if you can see, the value that I get is 2 and 3. Okay. Now, how do we remove the respective value? We'll use the remove method itself. So we'll remove 2 from here. After removing 2, what is the left out? 1358. And dot is empty is to check whether a respective set or collection is an empty or not. So it is not empty, it will give false. And dot clear is good to clear the respective set, and will give the sorted set. And size is generally used to give the length of the sorted set element that you have. Okay, this is regards to the sorted set. Now, guys, we'll discuss about maps. So generally people get confused that maps are also part of collection. No, guys, it is part of the java.util package, and it is of the type, means it will store key and value. It's a key value pair, but it is not from the collection interface. It's not subtype of the collection interface. So it behaves different than the respective collection that we have stored. So as I said, it is going to have key and value. So you'll see my map basically here also, like sets, we have different like hash set, linked hash set. Similarly, map also has hash map, linked hash map. We'll see the respective types of it. So hash map also, guys, like we have hash set which does not means store the insertion order. Even in the case of hash map, it is not going to store the insertion order. So you see, so we'll use dot put to add the key and value for the hash map, and you can see the key is string and the value is integer. We have defined a map of types, key as string, value as integer, and a hash map object, and is the type of hash map. Okay. So hash dot put is used to add the elements to the hash map. This is key is Alice, and the value is 30. Then again we are adding key as Bob and value as 25. Then key as Charlie and value as 35. And then we are iterating. How do we iterate, guys? Here, this is enhanced for loop. So we are going to create a map object like map.entry of the key and value pair, entry as a respective object. This will iterate through all the entry set. How do we define the hash map.entry set will contain all the respective key and value pair basically across to it. Now, in case if I need to get a key, I'll use .get key method. In case I need to get the respective value, I need to get value method. So this will iterate, this entry will iterate across all the hash map.entry set. It will give us respective key and value pair. So in this case, key, you can see what did it give? Bob 25, Alice 30, Charlie 35. If you have observed, guys, it does not follow the insertion order. Now checking on the similar lines. Now in case if we use the linked hash map, this is going to, what is it going to do, guys? It is going to store the insertion order over here. So apple 10, banana 20, orange 30, and you can see the respective outcome as the insertion order. And TreeMap, just like TreeSet, is going to be sorted. So this is going to get sorted based on the key, not the values, guys, right? So here you can see TreeMap.put as that inserted zebra, lion, elephant. And then I'm iterating and printing the value. You can see what is the first thing that you see: elephant, lion, and zebra. So this is about the maps that we have, guys. So this is about collections that we have it in Java. In further sessions, we'll explore other topics. So if you really like the video, guys, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment in case if you have any queries, and share with all of your friends ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.